Bon dimanche mes amours. Alors aujourd'hui j'ai mangé un super bon lalo. Vraiment là, j'adore le lalo. C'est tellement bon.
Like ça? Lalo? I ain't never seen no lalo like that. That's not lalo, that's larim. That's larim. That's what happens when you get sick. You eat that, you get sick. That's what larim come out your nose. What do you mean lalo? That looked like something that comes out of the bottom of Shrek's swamp. If you put a toy Shrek in there, that's Shrek 5. Shrek 5 in the making. You put the toy Shrek, and then you take a camera, Shrek and Fiona made a baby in there, right now. I'm saying, Timon, what's going on? I ain't never seen no lalo like that. Et puis, il dit, Fanm okap. Fanm okap, that's what y'all doing. Fanm okap, et kon sa ba yo yekunya. Okay, Fanm okap. Yeah, lalo. Lalo.